Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog for today's video. Ia-unbox natin ang gift from DIGISKARTENG Pinay. So I am one of the first 100 that signed up for the event, and they wanted to give a gift, a little something special from Google and YouTube. So eto na guys, buksan na natin. By the way, DIGISKARTENG Pinay is a program that believes that when you uplift women, you uplift the entire household. And it is a joint initiative of Grow with Google, Women Wheel, and YouTube. It aims to provide a destination for women to learn various skills at their own time and at her own pace. The sessions were both inspiring and educational and have helped upskill and support my YouTube journey.